Today I'm going to show you a crispy and tasty snack with corn. Yes, it's crispy corn. This simple snack is very easy to prepare at home. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special crispy corn. Normally for this recipe sweet corn is suitable, but here I'm using local corn for health point. If you want to use sweet corn, take 200 grams for this recipe. Add 1 teaspoon of rock salt to water and boil the corn until it softens. Don't overcook the corn. After corn softens, drain the water and pour cold water on top of the corn to stop excess cooking. Now keep the corn aside. Now take 4 to 5 spring onion and chop them finely. Now take 2 green chillies and cut into small rounds. At last take 6 to 7 garlic cloves and cut into small rounds. Now take enough oil and heat up. Until oil heats up, we'll marinate corn. Drop the corn in a bowl. To this add 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder, 3 tablespoons of corn flour and coat well. Here I don't add salt. The salt we add for boiling will be enough. If required, we'll add at last. Now drop the coated corn and fry till they become crispy. After frying corn, heat up 1 tablespoon of oil in a separate pan. Keep the gas on high. Add garlic, mix 2-3 times and add chili pieces and mix 2-3 times. At last add spring onion and mix. Now add salt to taste if required and pinch of Ajinomoto if you want. Mix and add fried corn. Mix corn and vegetables well and switch off the gas. That's it. Our tasty yummy crispy corn is ready. Share this snack with your family members and enjoy.